Hi everyone, welcome to another card making tutorial on my YouTube channel. Since Father's Day is just around the corner, I thought let's give ode to all the fathers out there and make a card for them. So I start off with a piece of cardstock and 3 liquid acrylics. So what I want to do is basically I want to create my own 3 pieces of ombre colored rectangles, which will be light blue, dark blue and medium blue. So I take 3 colors accordingly, which is craft angles liquid acrylics in blue color, white color and black color. And I first will lay colors to first create a rectangle of blue color. Since my brush was wet, you can see, it created that watercolor look, which is what liquid acrylics is meant to do. And now that I apply thicker colors, you can see it has grown more opaque. Now for the light blue, I simply use the same blue which is there in my brush and add some more white. Since blue is so vibrant and so colorful and so pigmented, you don't need a lot of it. This is the specialty of Craft Angles liquid acrylics. Now I take a little bit of blue and black to make my own personal blend of dark blue. Now I'll heat dry this. You could also let it air dry, and once these are dry, this is how the rectangles look. And then here I am using another die. This is a newly launched die by Craft Angles called Alphabets, Basic Alphabets. This is uppercase. So what I'm doing is I am kind of sticking those alphabet using masking tape on top of those rectangles, and I'll be creating a word DAD, and I will go in an ombre order. So my light blue will be D, my medium blue will be A, and my dark blue will be another D. So I pass this through my Cuttlebug machine. You can see how beautifully it has cut out the elements, and this is how I'm going to use. Stay tuned to see how I use leftovers, because I have also used leftovers in an art journal page which I'll be sharing soon. Now back onto the card, I start off with a piece of Craft Angles notelets. So notelets are basically a combination of envelopes and card base. So I take one which is regular folding note card, and what I do is I take a triangles stencil. Now I felt that I wanted to use something more masculine but not argyle, which is very commonly used in masculine cards. So that is why I went with this geometric pattern. This is one of my favorite stencil when it comes to geometric pattern. It is very simple yet gives beautiful results. So I pass some clear texture paste through the stencil with a palette knife, and you can see how beautiful self embossed kind of look is what this gives. And I will let this air dry. So once it is air dry, I stick everything on top of my station. So this is Make Art station that I use. It has a magnetic backing, and I have kind of added magnets on the corners so that everything stays in place. And then using the same station ruler, I make sure everything is aligned on my top folding card, and then I stick the word DAD on top of it using some liquid glue, and then I'll put some magnets on top of it so that it can dry in place. Once everything is dry, I wanted to add my signature splatters on top of the card. So for that, I went ahead with using some watercolor pans. These are shimmer watercolors by Craft Angles, and I'm using the color Moonstone, which is darkish grayish black color, and I think it went beautifully with the card. On the sentiment, I am using Indian festive sentiment sheet, ready pre-printed sentiment sheets by Craft Angles, and here I am using the word Happy Father's Day in the black background. As you can see, you get 2 options, one in white and one in black. Both of them are available in the same package. I decided to use black one because it went with the theme. So here is how the card looks. Here, I'm sorry, but you cannot see the stenciling in detail due to the light glare, but hopefully in the detailed photos of the card, you will be able to see the same. I'll see you back with another tutorial next week. Till then guys, take care. Bye-bye.